Ash, after Tuesday's disappointment, big win today. How do you think the team did?
Yeah, I think the lads played well. You know, we won a lot of second balls. You know, the work rate was there. Obviously, the shift we put in Tuesday, you know, it's obviously helped with our fitness. And tonight, you know, the lads have done a good job. And I think Bala were lucky to get the penalty in the end. I think there was a couple of fouls before that. And I think, you know, 3-2 doesn't even reflect the performance. I thought we were better than them all over the park today.
Is it nerve-wracking going into those last 10 minutes or so, and you're 2-1 up? How important was that third goal?
Yeah, that third goal obviously was the clincher, which was brilliant. It was a really good pass by Rio. He's come on, you know, he's come on. He's got a goal and assist. He's done really well. But like everyone tonight has worked really hard, and like I said, from defence to attack, centre halves heading balls, you know, midfielders winning second balls, and like players who've come on. You know, it's a squad game, and I think tonight we thoroughly deserve the 3 points.
They say strikers, once they score, get a bit of confidence. That's what they need. Getting your first Aber goals today.
Yeah, first.
How did you feel when that ball hit the back of the net?
Yeah, it was made up. Like obviously it's always nice to score and that, but more importantly is the team winning, and obviously getting the win. And like I said, the team have been brilliant, and the strikers, you know, they've got to be set up by the teammates and things like that. And obviously tonight we've created several chances, and like I said, we could have put even maybe 1 or 2 more away and made the game a lot more comfortable for ourselves. But like, I'm just delighted to get the 3 points.
Do you think the team can kick on from this now?
Yeah, I think they can. There's a very good team spirit. I think like the gaffer who's brought me in, there's been a few times where I've meant to link up with him and it's not quite happened and that, but like, you know, he's a really nice fella and that, and you know, the lads all want to play for him and want to work hard for him. So yeah, I think we can. I think there's a good team spirit.
Looking forward to the next game now.
Yeah, thoroughly looking forward to the next game, and hopefully another 3 points. We can kick on.